Buying gold bars sounds simple until you choose IRA versus personal ownership. Before you buy gold bars with Augusta Precious Metals, decide which of two paths you're taking, an IRA purchase or a personal purchase. In an IRA, you can't hold it at home. A custodian has to run the account, and the bars must sit in an approved depository. The trade-off is structure and tax rules, plus ongoing fees that can run a few $100s per year. Bars often carry lower premiums than coins, but indirect rollovers add deadline traps. The cleanest way to buy is to choose ownership first, because the rules change immediately. If you're buying through an IRA, verify there's a real IRA custodian involved and confirm the storage is depository only, not your house or a safe deposit box. Then check the IRA eligibility basics. Gold generally must be at least 99 pure. If you're buying personally, ask about delivery to your address and how shipping and insurance are handled, since that's where costs can hide. Your bar choice should start with size, because it controls flexibilities later. Larger bars can look cheaper per ounce, but smaller bars usually resell more easily and can reduce the pain of a wide dealer spread. The gap between what you pay and what you'd get if you sold back. For an IRA, confirm the 99 purity rule again and stick with recognized refiners that dealers and depositories accept without drama. Then match the bar types to the account. IRA-friendly inventory for IRAs, deliverable inventory for personal. Most overpaying happens because people compare the wrong number. Make sure the quote is based on a clear spot price reference, then ask what premium range applies to that specific bar size, not typical pricing. Next, measure the hidden spread by asking for a buyback quote on the same item the same day. A 50 to 150 per ounce gap is real money. Also, get clarity on price lock timing, whether payment method changes the price, and which fees are dealer charges versus IRA custodian and storage layers. Protect yourself by documenting the deal like you might document a home repair. Everything in writing. Spot price is never the all-in cost, so get the exact item, premium, and total out-the-door number. Ask for written buyback terms because we buy back is not a price guarantee, and promotions can be offset by higher premiums. Keep the assay or bar packaging for resale and for IRAs, confirm eligibility, and avoid the classic rollover mistake. An indirect rollover has a 60-day deadline and can trigger taxes and penalties. If you remember one thing, a gold IRA bar purchase requires a custodian and depository storage, no home holding. The smart investor matches you to providers based on your goals and investment size, then shows the real dollar cost difference over time. Free, about 3 minutes, and the links in the description.